Stop.
Angelo, away. Christian.F. Finari.
Still late.
Give me Dari.
I don't have one already.
Just sit down. Dwayne.
Yes, sir.
Musa.
Yes, sir.
Yep. One. Okay, boys, today we're going to start off with studying for our fireworks topic test. The areas that we're going to cover today are how fireworks are made, chemical changes, physical changes, environmental impacts of fireworks, and pyrotechnics. So Dwayne, can you please come up and explain chemical changes?
Well, a chemical change is when the metals within the pyrotechnic mixture, or the chemicals, are mixed together, and the burning, it depends how fast that each chemical burns. So say one chemical might burn slowly, giving it a different color to the rest, which might burn fast. And the spark is what lifts it off the ground, and it's basically a rocket before it goes up in the sky, and the chemicals mix together and explode, making fireworks.
Yeah, that's good, Dwayne. Okay, Finari, explain physical changes, please.
Sir? So there are four main components of physical change of fireworks, and what they all are is a lift charge, a time delay fuse, a breaking charge, and payload. And all these four major elements of the firework come together when the spark ignites them, and then it goes up into the air, creates fireworks.
Musa, explain the environmental impacts, please.
Okay, sir.
Any longer?
So some of the environmental impacts that fireworks might hold is that when they go off, some sparks they actually cause bushfires, and if it's anywhere near bushland or very dry regions of land, then it could start very big bushfires and could kill off many wildlife and could also actually hurt many humans. Also, when fireworks go off, they produce a steam that goes off everywhere, kind of like ash, and it goes off everywhere. And that might help maybe people with asthma, and it might also make you prone to something like smoking, which could also get you to have lung cancer in the near future.
Dwayne, please stand up to explain the pyrotechnics of fireworks, please.
Yes, sir. Well, pyrotechnics is the science of using materials capable of undergoing self-contained and self-sustained exothermic chemical reactions for the production of heat, light, gas, and smoke, and or sound. So pyrotechnics is basically how fireworks are displayed, like lights. The light of the firework, it's all part of pyrotechnics, the science of materials used to make the fireworks.
Okay, today I'm going to explain the last two, which is safety and how they're made. The safety is kids like you shouldn't play with fireworks because you know it could like blow up in your face that you don't know how to light them up. If you are going to light fireworks, make sure your parents buy legal fireworks and not faulty ones. Never try to make your own fireworks, it could malfunction. Always use your fireworks outside because if it blows up in your house, obviously your house is going to burn down. If you're lighting fireworks, steer clear of others. Like if other people are trying to light fireworks, it could end up burning to your face. Don't hold fireworks in your hand because point fireworks away from homes and keep it away from brush and leaves and flammable substances. Light one fireworks at one time most kids these days they are familiar with two kinds of fireworks. The fireworks are firecrackers and sparklers. Firecrackers are simple rolled paper tubes filled with black powder, also called gunpowder, or flash paper and a fuse. When you light the fuse from a firecracker, the fire burns along the fuse until it reaches the powder. when it burns, you get an explosion. Sparklers are different to fireworks because they make bright sparkly light for a long time rather than a short explosion. Sparklers contain more substances than firecrackers, so they'll burn longer and produce light and sparks. The bright sparks you see are usually burning bits of dust made out of metal such as aluminium, iron, steel, zinc, or magnesium. Aerial fireworks are usually manufactured as a shell that is made out of 4 parts. The container consists of paste and paper. The fuse allows the shell to reach the desired altitude before exploding. A bursting charge made of black powder, like firecracker, is at the center of the shell. Stars like substances are shaped into small spheres are mixed throughout the interior of the shell. These shells are usually launched into the sky from short pipes filled with a lifting charge of black powder. Okay, boys, it's the end of the period. Go out to recess. Kunari, stay back.